menikmati bersama suasana Jogja, baik sepi tanpa terobati.
Tonight, I'm here with Ian Neubauer, and we're here to discover what Jogja has to offer. And what's very famous is the Kopi Joss and nasi kucing. And this one here is very famous. It's been here for about since 1980s, and we'll come and check it out. So Ian, do you like bits and bobs?
Yum.
We have here a little bit of liver, and we have here chicken skin satay.
Yep.
And then we have here eggs, quail's eggs.
Quail's eggs, right.
And then they have here, really cute, they have oseng jamur, which is basically like stir-fry mushroom with rice.
Yep.
And then they have pacem, and then also tofu and tempe goreng as well.
Right.
And this is where all the students and all the young hang out in the evenings.
Right.
It's where if you were taking your date out, you would come here. Everything
Right.
is no more than about kind of 2,000 or 3,000 rupiah.
Right. I don't know how my date would go if I offered her guts on a stick.
Well, if it was local, it would be very well. And then what's also a signature here is basically the Kopi Joss, which is basically coffee with charcoal in it. And then basically it takes on a scent. I'm not sure why they've created that.
Let's just share one. Why don't we?
Okay, fish fingers, chicken.
Yes.
And then probably go on some mushrooms here. And then maybe some quail's egg. Ini harganya berapa? Beli di sana ya. Okay. But just gonna pay over here. So basically, Kopi Joss kind of all started in the 80s. So it's a fairly new thing. It's not an old tradition at all.
Yeah.
The teenagers here and the youngsters, they don't have much money. So everything is small little bites.
Yes.
And kind of
Dirt cheap.
Dirt cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like to try some?
I'll just hold on to that.
No, it's very nice. Or,
Yes.
or would you go for this one?
I'll go the fish fingers.
Okay, you go the fish fingers?
Yes.
I'm gonna go the quail's egg here.
Crunchy.
Very simple, easy, you know. And this one's quite nice too.
Yeah.
Basically, nasi oseng jamur, which
Yeah.
is stir-fried mushrooms.
Yep.
And again, they call it nasi kucing, but it's small portions. And you can see the size of the small portion of the mushrooms and the rice.
Right.
And it's even wrapped up in a little bit of plastic. This is for me, you really have to get into the culture and you have to do this to really be part of it. And
Yes.
you know, you don't see many people doing this in Bali, I don't think.
No. Right. So,
It's just mushroom.
yep. That's good. Yes.
And then here is basically the Kopi Joss.
Yeah.
Is actually about basically putting the charcoal in, and what the charcoal does, it takes out the caffeine so they can keep on drinking it. But actually, you really don't taste the charcoal in it at all. You just taste the kind of
And it's
local
milk coffee, right?
It's normally black coffee, but then they put sweet condensed milk in it.
Okay.
That's what makes it kind of creamy, so it's super sweet. It's really, very important from you as audiences that you see these kind of shows, etc. You must come and experience it. Don't just go to the obvious places. Go and get lost and go and explore things, yeah? Because that is about understanding culture. And if you want to understand food, then you've got to understand that first. So whatever you do, guys, come visit Jogja and experience the nightlife. Don't just go to Jalan Marlborough and see the tourist thing. Come up to the Kopi Joss areas and hang out with the locals like we are. Fantastic. When I'm in Jogja, one of the places that I always like to stay is the Oma. The reason being is because it's a home away from home. It brings in and conjures up the whole feel of old Java. And what I love about it the most is that they rehabilitated the village in about 2006 after the volcano. And they've kept that spirit here and they've re-energized the whole village. They've put businesses back into here. They've made them independent and they keep on pushing forward. It has about now 24 rooms. They started with 6 rooms and it's just a great concept. It's a real home away from home. It's quite simple. The rooms are classically designed and it's just typical Java. It's what I feel how I would like my house to be. So follow me as I take you through Dumai. What I love also about Dumai is how it's many different styles of art. You've got contemporary, you've got also old, you've also got antiques here as well. So this area here is a brand new section. There's a whole mixture of it. So what I love about Dumai is that it's also an art centre. All around this village there's little artists that are being promoted, and also Jogjakarta is so well known for its art. So if you want to appreciate contemporary, modern Indonesian art, then Dumai is the place for you, because it is just covered in it. There's lots of little ornaments here, there's lots of little statues, carvings, paintings, and the village is surrounded by it as well. So all down the south there's many great artists and little galleries that is worth seeing as well. So when you come here, you must visit them.